hal ekleri, case suffixes. Evet, this is a very important topic, so I want you to focus like crazy. Tamam? You're probably eating now. Yeah, continue eating, but still try to be focused, tamam? Because this is very important. Evet, in English, you have in, on, at, towards, from, and they are called prepositions. In Turkish, however, we have their equivalences, but in suffix form. Very surprisingly, right? Suffix form. Allah Allah. And they are called hal ekleri, yani case suffixes. Let's meet them. Ekin adı, suffix name, ek, suffix, İngilizce karşılığı, English equivalents. Bulunma hali eki, locative case. Da, so, yani, da, de, ta, te. And it means in, on, at, all together. Yönelme hali eki, dative case. A, yani, a, e. And in English, it is to, towards. Ayrılma hali eki, ablative case. Dan, yani, dan, den, tan, ten. And in English, it equals to from, or when you compare stuff, than. And they sound similar. Dan, then, right? So you can keep in mind. Belirtme hali eki, evet, the most problematic one. Accusative case. I, yani, I, u, ü. Evet, I said it's problematic, right? So it's already obvious now. I mean, you see the definition. Works as the for definite and direct objects with transitive verbs. What does that mean, hocam? We will learn, don't worry. Now let's see some tips and tricks. İpucu ve taktikler. Every verb in Turkish works with a different case suffix. This is very important. Every verb works with a different case suffix. Sorry for my typo. So it's better to learn verbs with their case suffixes. Do not only learn bakmak, which means to look, but learn it as a bakmak, to look at. Like in English, for example, say English is your native language, and I'm learning English, and you say, do not only learn look, learn it as look at, because when you use it, you will mostly use it as look at. For example, I won't say, I look you, right? Instead, I will say, I look at you. I'm looking at you. So that's what you are trying to teach me. Tamam? And I'm trying to do the same. I'm trying to teach you the same thing. Do not learn only bakmak, but learn it as bakmak. Tamam? With dative. See, it's literally look to. Did you notice? It's not at. In, on, at is normally da, de, ta, te. But in Turkish, we say look to when we say look at. I mean, literally. You wouldn't know without looking up what case suffix it needed. So it's better to learn it with its case suffix. Tamam? But don't worry, I will provide you with the list.